Okay, this is going to be another Fix What Bugs You video. I've got my cell phone here, my personal cell phone, and last month when we were in Florida, I dropped it. So it really kind of put a damper on our vacation because I was so aggravated at myself for dropping it. And I've cracked the screen really bad. It hit right on the corner and the cracks radiate all through it. Even goes right across the selfie camera on the front. So that eliminated being able to take selfies. So anyhow, as you can see here, I've got a whole setup where I'm gonna work on replacing my screen. And I bought a replacement screen, which is right here. There you can see there, the back side of it, the front of the new screen. And I've got the tools and everything to work on it. This is a little heating pad thing that you heat up in the microwave and you lay it on the edge of the phone. And you let it heat up the adhesive so that you can start prying the old screen off. So I'm going to work on that, and hopefully a little while later I'll have a new screen. Okay, I've got the old screen off now. It's held on by the connector right here where all the wiring is. So the next thing I've got to do is take this clip out where it connects and then get that loose. Then I can take the old screen away. You can see the new screen here. There's the connector that fits right there. And so once I get this off, I've got to clean out all the old adhesive out of the groove around the frame. And then the new screen has adhesive already on it. There's just a little cover that you have to pull off and snap it back in place.
Maybe not.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now all the adhesive is exposed, and I just press it back into place. See, it's coming up. You can see I've got a new screen on my phone. It took about, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes, and it's about good as new. So I fix what bugs me.